As you start to hear back with another video, today will be a really awesome video because if you're watching this on iPad, an iOS device, you might not see what I'm gonna be doing because I'm gonna have to edit everything on the computer, and sometimes when I edit on the computer, it does it on the computer, but it doesn't do it on my iPad. So today I'll be jumping on my trampoline, which I showed in the previous video of my new deck. We'll be doing 3 modes. We'll be doing normal, we're gonna be doing slow mo, and we're gonna be doing time lapse. So time lapse I will be doing on my iPad, but that I'm gonna need to record 3 different clips, upload all clips different times, delete those 3 clips, and I have to do a lot of editing today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Right now, it's pretty sunny outside. Oh, there goes my dog barking. So you can see I am jumping on my trampoline. Now, it would be very helpful if someone could have recorded for me today, but the thing is, today I'm supposed to go to camp. Didn't wanna go. Didn't go. And my sister's at camp. And I'm a home alone. Yeah. Pretty much it. So right now I'm holding my iPad because I usually film with my iPad sometimes, and my iPad's right now charging. So yeah. So that was regular. Now I'll be doing time lapse. So see ya.